Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed our chapter 3 and today we are going to start our chapter 4 and name of our chapter is Heat. Now think and try to answer these questions. You will pause the video and write your answers in your notebook. First question is, why do we wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside? Second question, why do we wear कॉटन क्लोथ्स इन समर्स? हम विंटर्स में वुलन क्लोथ्स क्यों डालते हैं और हम समर्स में कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्यों डालते हैं? तो आपने इनके आंसर्स अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं. आई होप यू हैव रिटन योर आंसर्स. सो हम विंटर्स में वुलन क्लोथ इसलिए पहनते हैं क्योंकि वुलन क्लोथ्स क्या करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को वार्म रखते हैं. और समर्स में हम कॉटन क्लोथ इसलिए पहनते हैं क्योंकि कॉटन क्लोथ्स गिव्स अस द फीलिंग ऑफ coolness. That's why we wear cotton clothes in summers. In our daily life, many times we come across a feeling of warmth and coldness. See, there are so many objects around you. हमारे आसपास कितने सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे आइसक्रीम, टी, मेटेलिक पेन, फ्रूट जूस, चपाती, हॉट केस. तो कितने सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं हमारे पास. एंड सम ऑफ दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर हॉट and some of these objects are cold. So now what you will do, you will classify these four objects into cold or hot. Make this table in your notebook and try to classify them. I hope you have done. So now let's start. Ice cream is cold or hot? Ice cream is cold. Cup of tea, it is hot. Fruit juice is cold and metallic pan on the flame is hot. So now we have classified these objects. We see that some objects are cold and some are hot. कुछ objects हमारे cold हैं और कुछ objects क्या हैं, हमारे hot हैं. And we also notice that some objects are hotter than other. कुछ objects जो हैं दूसरे hot objects के comparison में ज़्यादा hot हैं. एंड वाइल सम आर कोल्डर देन अदर्स. और कुछ क्या हैं, दूसरे कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा कोल्ड हैं. हाउ डू वी डिसाइड विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज होटर देन द अदर? बाय आर सेंस ऑफ टच. बट इज आर सेंस ऑफ टच रिलायबल? लेट अस फाइंड आउट. टेक 3 balls, bowl A, B and C. Take cold water in bowl A, hot water in bowl B and mix hot plus cold water in bowl C. Now put your left hand in bowl A and right hand in bowl B. After keeping the hands in two bowls for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in bowl C. Do both the hands get the same feeling? So what did we observe from this activity? Our left hand tells that the water in mug C is hot, but the right hand tells that the same water is cold. So what should we conclude? So we can't decide on this because the water in bowl C is hotter if we compare it to the water that is present in bowl A, and it is colder if we compare it to the water of bowl B. So we can't always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. We need a more reliable measure, and that is temperature. So temperature tells us the degree of hotness or coldness of an object, and we measure the temperature by a device called thermometer. So in our next class we will discuss about thermometer in detail. Okay, thank you so much class.